Hey guys, so I'm heading to Sephora. Well, actually, I'm heading to pick up my best friend, and then we are going to Sephora. I got invited to Sephora in the Jersey Gardens Mall. They just opened. Basically, the store's gonna be shut down. There's not gonna be anybody in it. So I wanted to bring you guys along for this little ride we're gonna be doing all the way to North Jersey. And I'm gonna be taking you guys for a tour around the store, so that's exciting. Fun fact, I don't know if you guys ever saw my episode of Jerseylicious I was on, but I actually shot my scene in the Jersey Gardens Mall. You guys are gonna be meeting my best friend Crystal. We are OGs, you guys, like day one best friends. Like, this is my best friend from like middle school, high school, like my sister. Meet my best friend, everybody.
Hey, y'all.
The Adventures of Ashley and Crystal. Did you ever look back and think like, yo, God was with me that night on certain things? Because you just like,
like, I don't even know when we used to like go to Chrome like every Saturday.
That's what it was called. I was trying to remember the name of the club the other night.
Chrome.
We were talking about
We used to
shampoo.
drink so much. Yo. I don't even know how we got home. I swear to you, I don't even remember how
It was Chrome. That was
like
the name of the
Jesus
club.
literally took the wheel and was like, all right, I got you. You ain't driving.
Yo, all we did was go out.
Yeah.
Life, man.
Nowadays, the highlight of my day is, oh my God, isn't this a cool lunchbox? Look at this lunchbox. It has 6 compartments. Like, oh my God, the possibilities.
You're such a mom now. What's sad is I find interest in that stuff and I don't have kids.
I know.
And I'm like, oh my gosh, look. This is so cool.
Right. It's horrible.
I think the best one was when you found that measuring cup.
Which one?
The one you were like, look, I got this measuring cup on sale.
The glass one?
Yeah.
I was like, they were 50% off. You can't beat this. Look at it.
2 miles. Take exit 1B to merge
I
onto
was like, yo,
I-295
we're
north
hyped
toward
over
Trenton.
a measuring cup. Like, what happened
So
to
trifling,
us?
yo. So trifling.
Oh, we're getting old, Crystal Lee. Hey guys, so we're at Sephora. We just made it here.
Hi.
We're at the Sephora in Jersey Gardens Mall. So we're gonna do a quick tour of the store.
Show you guys around.
Yeah, we're gonna see everything that's going on, the different promotions that they have. So where do you wanna start?
I'm gonna start here. So this is basically the hot now section of Sephora. Every Sephora has one of these. It's basically stands describing the products that are either new or popular or that a lot of clients look for. So now we're focusing a lot on foundations and moisturizer. Obviously, Clinique's new jelly moisturizer. We have Tarte foundations, and you're going to see foundations all over the store because that's basically what we're focusing now. Summer, people get sweaty, and everyone needs good foundation.
Yes.
So we come over here. We have the new Marc Jacobs foundation, Makeup Forever, and then It Cosmetics also came out with their new Max CC cream that expanded their shades, which is awesome. The new brow contour that people have been playing a lot with from Benefit. Looks like one of those old school pens that we used to have in class. And yeah, so then here you have your skincare products. This is kind of our luxury section for skincare. We have like Tatcha, which is really well loved. We have Dr. Brands, Shiseido, Dior, all the bouginess. What else? Here we have basically the clean of Sephora. So anything Sephora that is clean, which is paraben free, sulfate free, all that nasty stuff free, is all in this section right over here. Brands that Sephora has like kind of gone after to sell here with us, brands that have kind of sparked their attention. And then in this section we just have more bouginess. Sunday Riley, John Elephant, basically like all the more expensive brands, and anything that you see with this clean check is basically the new clean by Sephora.
Okay.
So basically this is the skincare studio. You can come in here and search any product by concern, skincare routine, and basically if you do by concern they have a little quiz and you answer a question, hit continue, and eventually you'll get to a list of products. So here you have all the list of products that would fit whatever quiz you take and whatever answers you need. But yeah, and then you can sort them by basically price, rating, and all these ratings are based on real client reviews online. And yeah, you come in here and you get product. We can make you samples here in the drawers.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so we always have skincare specialists here who are trained through Sephora. So here's more, basically this whole section is skincare. We have like the brands and all that good stuff. On this side we have tanning for all of us who love tanning. We have, this one's really popular, Saint Tropez.
Yeah, I heard a lot about the Saint Tropez one.
This one I think is cool because it's like a water, clear mousse.
Okay.
But it actually does work because I tried it on my hand and I was stained for like a week.
And then it drops
So
like
it-
tan.
Yeah, it's so,
That's super
through the
cool.
hour- yeah.
Sorcery.
I probably wouldn't be able to handle that. Like, I'd OD. Like, I don't see it. And like, wake up orange.
But yeah, these are kind of like the rest of the brands here. On this side we have the hair care.
Okay. I love, this is my favorite.
This one?
This one.
The dry shampoo.
The triple sec.
Yeah, it's really good.
Insane. It's
Really,
so good.
It's amazing.
Especially when you like, the only thing though, is like afterwards, the next day your hair's kind of like,
crunchy.
yeah. But I love it for like in the moment.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah, this one's also really good from Way. They have what is it? The dry shampoo because like it's
Yeah, I always hear
do
about this one too.
with that white stuff.
Okay.
So it's awesome.
Oh, that was a wonderful demonstration.
Right? That was so cool. The brand rep showed me how to do it.
It smells good too.
Right? It smells
Wow, that smells really good. Have you ever used
flowers?
Joy? Isn't that Jen Akin? Is that hers?
Yeah, I've never used it.
Yeah.
What does it do?
Oh, it's dry shampoo. Just yeah.
It's dry shampoo.
It
Yeah.
doesn't give you the white stuff.
But I like the textured one though.
Yeah.
The hair texture one.
Her
Yeah.
brand is fantastic.
Yeah.
And then here we have Beauty on the Fly, which is basically travel size items.
Yeah, this is the one that gets me every
know,
time when
I
I'm on the
know.
way to the register. I'm like grabbing stuff.
And everything in here is, I believe, TSA approved, like size-wise.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and then whenever,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Yeah. That's why they give you the clear one
Huh?
too. so you can
Yeah.
see it.
So when you buy 3 products, you get one of these for free. A lot of people actually don't know that.
So you can put these in.
Yeah, you can put these in this, and this bag is also, because you're supposed to have like a clearish bag
Yeah.
for your
Oh.
liquid. So that's why we have a lot of like stewardess and like flight attendants and
You never knew.
I didn't know that either. I thought you couldn't take it unless it was clear, like the like this stuff.
no, you can. It just has to be like a certain.
Small.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know.
And we have some cool sets from like Tarte with like eyeshadows and eyeliner, I believe. So
Yeah.
it's kind of like grab and go. We have everything in one. But yeah, this whole section is travel. Here's our cash register where we usually have lovely ladies. Follow us on Instagram. This is our Instagram. we
Sephora
always,
Jersey Gardens.
yeah, we always post.
In the milk.
Yeah.
Wait, why won't it focus? Oh, there we go. Okay.
We always post like events and stuff. And then let's see what else we have here.
Makeup.
Makeup, yeah, obviously,
Yes.
makeup. The rest of the store is all makeup.
Here too.
Get one free. Ooh, so cute.
Yeah, you guys' makeup looks really good. I
Yeah,
was looking
thank
at
you,
it.
thank
you guys
you.
look so pretty.
Try. This is Marianne. Come here, Marianne.
Yeah, your eyeliner is
Yes.
everything.
I know.
I always say she looks like an Arabic queen.
I tried to do my eyeliner like that the other day, but I don't get it pointy enough. What ones do you use?
A whole bunch of everything.
Oh.
we'll do it in a little bit.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Easy.
But
Yeah.
yeah, so this is all the makeup, all the good stuff. Do you have a favorite brand?
I do. For foundation, I love Fenty. And for like eyeshadow, I use a lot of Urban Decay. I like Huda Beauty.
Gotcha. Do you
I
like
use-
pink sparkly stuff?
Yes.
Yes.
Listen, they don't know me.
Like anything that shines.
I am so. That's so pretty. Look at this Too Faced palette, you guys.
Oh my god, I bought this.
Oh my gosh.
I do like the Better Than Sex mascara. Now they have a pink. Oh my sparkly version for their birthday sets.
My birthday's next month too.
See, they made it just for you.
Put them like together.
But yeah, Too Faced's 20th birthday, so they made limited editions of everything.
Oh my gosh.
I believe these were the original shadows they came out with, and this is the 2018 version, I guess.
Oh.
And then
That's a really pretty palette.
More sparkly. This is called Glow Job.
I think I saw that in a
when you
PR
open
package.
it,
Does it go on your skin?
It does.
Can I?
It's a like peel off mask that like,
Oh, it's a mask.
yeah, that's supposed to make
well,
you dry.
That's okay.
Well, it's supposed to make you glow.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to get the shot of that drip?
Oh yeah, for sure. Drip, drip. Came through dripping.
Oh god.
Too Faced.
Too Faced. It is pretty though.
Yeah. So these are Sephora favorites. You have these on every single Sephora. Basically, these are built to where the top masks are the best rated online based on real client reviews. And then, not to say these aren't so good, but you know, based on client reviews, these two would be the best ones. But yeah, in any Sephora that you walk in, you're more than welcome to grab samples. We're more than happy to make them for you of anything that you want to try. Even though this is an outlet mall, we do have, our prices are the same from every other Sephora, except we do carry a lot of sets and we do push them a lot. So we focus more on value versus price changing. Like for example, these, you won't find these in every single Sephora, these jumbo size.
Whoa, those are huge. And they're Diva Curl. Oh, look,
Yeah.
it's Kia. Crystal. Look. Look who it is. Kia.
Oh,
She went to high school with us.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Can I put her on your thing?
Yeah, go ahead.
But
You
yeah.
can tag her in it.
Yeah.
These huge like Diva Curl, usually they have like this size shampoo. So that's something that we have. That's I guess a little bit unique that every Sephora has it. So we do focus more on like value size. So for
Yeah.
the price you get like this big amount versus the smaller one. We also have like fragrance sets that we have like a lot more than most Sephora. Yeah, so you can try every lipstick and then like automatically change.
I actually really like. Oh, wait, these are pretty.
The virtual. So what is it? It's every lipstick that
I like that one.
Yeah.
Sephora. Oh, just Sephora brand. Sephora's virtual artist. Yeah.
And then you can do lashes too if you want to get creative. I don't know if they'll show up since you already have lashes. Or you
Oh, it looks like my lash is coming off.
what else? We can
It
do
is.
cheeks. And then we'll like change kind of.
The ladies in the back.
But the lips ones are like
a whole face on this, right?
You really could.
you take this little device here and you turn it on and you take 3 pictures of your skin and it will give us a number, letter, and 2 numbers, and then you put that in here into the iPad and it will customize I'm going to put any random number just to show you what it looks like. For example, like 1Y. And then you could pick between foundations, lip, and concealer. So we're going to pick foundations, and it'll give you the proper foundation, which you can also email it to yourself.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so it's going to give you like the right foundation for your shade. So you can also, they'll show you every foundation in the whole store that goes with that code. So then you can sort it by coverage if you want medium, full, or light. You can also sort it by finish if you want matte, radiant, or natural. You can customize it by ingredients if you want to have a fragrance-free and antioxidants, oil-free, paraben-free, skin type if you have oily. So you can basically literally customize this down to like the single foundation that would fit to your skin tone. And then of course, no machine is more accurate than us, so that's where we come in to kind of help guide you to the perfect shade. Because this gives us more of an approximate, not necessarily an exact. So yeah, but this kind of helps us more and gives you guys a lot of options, but it kind of helps us narrow down to basically the foundations. And then whatever customized number that fits your skin type can be emailed to you.
So yeah, nice way. So just look down to the ground, don't close from me.
Okay.
down.
so hard when other people do my makeup.
I get it.
No, I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine.
And close. We're just gonna go over. I mean, you do have a beautiful, you know, liner already happening here. So we're just gonna make it a little bit more even.
Oh wow. Yeah, I really like it. I probably should have did underliner too.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Down. Oh, look at me.
Close. Yeah.
Look down to the ground. Okay. Are you allergic to anything?
I don't think so.
Down. Maybe not going like, you know how at the bottom you go on the waterline?
Yeah.
But on the top, I literally just like going where the hairs are at, not like on
not
the
on the actual
skin.
maybe that's probably what makes my eyes water. Yeah, that looks much better.
Your eyes like look so exotic. You see that? Look at those cheekbones.
Kat Von D.
Yeah. It's really good. I used to use it and then mine cracked, so now I'm using Anastasia. I was like, I don't want to buy another one.
This is really nice.
Because I did it. No, I'm kidding. I think you're all set. Do you want to do a little glow?
Look, a little glow.
Do it up.
Oh my god, do you want to put a little bit of highlight on too?
Of course.
Let's do it.
I feel like you can't really see it though on camera. This camera blurs out your makeup. That's why I don't film makeup tutorials with it, because it's like, it has like a blurring, I guess, setting on it. Yeah, so like it makes your skin look flawless, but then it doesn't really highlight your makeup. Your makeup will just look very natural unless you went crazy. So I film with my Canon because it really is like a good HD, like it gets everything. Okay guys, so I had an amazing time at Sephora.
Yes,
Thank you so much for the tour.
We had so much fun meeting you.
Yes.
And look how amazing, oh, you can really see it now. My highlight is, what did you use with me again? A Dior?
That was Lancome.
Oh, Lancome.
Yeah.
Look at my lip. I love it. Crystal, get over here.
Seriously, she used it. What was it? Dior.
Dior Nude Glow.
Oh, you had Dior, I had Lancome.
It is amazing. Oh yeah, look at it glowing to the gods.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so make sure you guys come out to the Jersey Gardens Mall and check out the new Sephora that just got here. Yay! We had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for this.
Thank you. It's such a pleasure having you here.
I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.